These Stickman animation videos are consistently getting millions of views. Some channels have built massive audiences by focusing on this simple animation style, and many creators are using the same concept to grow their YouTube channels. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create these videos from start to finish using free AI tools. Step 1. Choose a Stickman character. Go to Google and search for Stickman animation figure. Download a Stickman character that matches the style you want. Try to use the same character throughout the entire video to keep your animation consistent. Step 2. Generate a video idea. Open ChatGPT and type, "Provide me with 10 topic ideas related to self-improvement, success habits, psychology, relationship lessons, or money mistakes." Click Generate. ChatGPT will instantly give you 10 engaging video ideas. Choose the one you like the most. Now copy the full prompt from the description below. Open Claude AI, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and select your preferred video duration. I type 30 seconds. Go back to ChatGPT, copy your selected video idea, then return to Claude AI and paste it into the video topic section of the prompt. Click Generate. Within a few seconds, Claude AI will create a complete script based on your selected duration, including full narration, scene-by-scene image prompts, scene-by-scene video prompts. Review the script and make any changes you want before moving to the next step. Now copy the first image prompt. Step 3. Create scene images. Open Google Flow. Upload the Stickman character you downloaded earlier. For scene 1, select your character. Click the three-dot menu. Choose Add to Prompt. Paste the image prompt from Claude AI. Adjust the image settings if needed. Click Generate. After a few moments, your first Stickman image will be ready. Copy the second image prompt. Drag first generated image. Paste the prompt into the prompt box. Click Generate. Repeat the same process for every remaining scene while continuing to use the same character so the animation stays visually consistent. Once all images are ready, Step 4. Animate the images. Drag your first generated image into the prompt box. Switch to video mode. Select OmniFlash as the video model. Set the duration to around 8 seconds. Go back to Claude AI and copy the first video prompt. Paste it into Google Flow and click Generate. Within a short time, your first animated scene will be ready. Repeat the exactly same process for every remaining scene until all your video clips are generated. Step 5. Generate the voiceover. Go back to Claude AI and type, "Convert this script into one continuous voiceover paragraph without scene numbers or headings." Hit enter. It will write your entire script into one clean narration paragraph. Copy the generated narration, open 11 Labs, paste the narration, choose a voice that matches your video's style, adjust the voice settings if needed, and generate the voiceover. You can see voiceover is ready. Download the voiceover. Step 6. Edit the video. Open the you like video editing software. Import all animated video clips. VoiceOver arrange the clips in the correct order. Synchronize each clip with the narration. To make the video more engaging, you can also add background music, sound effects, zoom effects, subtitles, motion graphics. Once everything is synced properly, export your final video. Your viral Stickman animation video is now ready to upload.
Meet Sam. Sam earns well, but somehow money always disappears by month end. Let's find out why. Mistake 1. Impulse spending. Sam sees a sale and boom, buys it, no second thought. Mistake 2. No budget. Sam has never tracked where the money actually goes. Mistake 3. Lifestyle inflation. Every raise means bigger spending, never bigger savings. Mistake 4. Ignoring debt. That credit card bill keeps growing quietly in the background. The fix? Track, save, and invest before spending. Small changes today build big freedom tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future AI content creation tutorials. See you in the next video.